Hello, welcome to my booktube video about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is the cover. It is very painful. You can see Willy Wonka and Charlie holding his golden ticket. In the background are many colors and golden sweets. The release date was 1964. The first main character is Charlie. He lived in a small house with his parents and grandparents, near the chocolate factory. The second main character is Grandpa Joe. He worked for the chocolate factory and Mr. Wonka. Now he wants to visit the chocolate factory with Charlie. Mr. Wonka is the mysterious owner of the chocolate factory. He wears funny things like a violet raincoat. He says that one kid will have a special prize at the end of the show. Augustus Gloop is the boy who eats very much chocolate a day. He gets his ticket when he eats chocolate. Veruca Salt is a girl who is very spoiled. Her dad pays every price for his little girl to be happy. Violet Beauregard is a girl who likes chewing gum. She really wants the special prize. Mike TV is an intelligent young boy. He plays video games and watches TV all day long. He doesn't have luck when he opened his golden ticket. He knew it before. The 11-year-old Charlie Bucket lived in a house near the world-famous chocolate factory. His parents and grandparents also lived in this house. They're very poor, so they not lived in a very big house. Their house is small and broken. Grandpa Joe worked for the chocolate factory and tells Charlie everything he knew. But when he gets fired, Mr. Wonka had special tiny workers, but nobody knows who they are. One day, the newspaper told about golden tickets. The 5 children who found them in chocolate bars will visit the factory for one day. Everyone spoke about the tickets, in markets, in shops, everywhere. Also in the little house of Charlie Bucket. But Charlie gets only one chocolate bar for his birthday. After a while, the first 2 tickets were found, from a boy called Augustus Gloop from Germany and a girl called Veruca Salt from England. The mother of Augustus said at the interview that he ate so many bars of chocolate a day that he had to find the one ticket. The second ticket were found by Veruca Salt. Her dad bought many bars of chocolate and let them opened by his employees. They found one ticket. On the next day, Charlie had birthday. His parents gave him his present and he opened it. He believed in the chocolate, that there would be a golden ticket, but there was nothing inside. Charlie was sad. The next 2 tickets were found by a girl called Violet Beauregard and a boy called Mike TV. Violet likes chewing gum, but when she heard from the golden tickets, she bought some chocolate bars. Mike TV figured out the system and got his golden ticket by his first attempt. Grandpa Joe gave Charlie his secret money. He ran as fast as he could to the next shop. There he bought the first chocolate bar he saw. When he opened it by his grandpa, nothing was inside it. When his father lost his job, things goes from bad to worse. They are even poorer. One day, when Charlie goes back from school, he was very hungry, and he found 10 pounds on the ground. The child bought a Wonka bar because he was very hungry. He will get the remaining money to his parents. It was very delicious, so he bought the second one. And when he opened the second bar, he couldn't believe his eyes. There are 3 movies about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. One of 1971, one of 2005, and one of this year. There are also one musical. Now, some differences about the movie from 2005 and the book. In the movie, Charlie got his ticket on the first attempt when he found the 10 pounds. In the movie, Charlie builds a chocolate factory from toothpaste plugs. In the book, both children's parents can visit the factory, but in the movie, only one. The book is from the British writer Roald Dahl, and the original illustrator is Quentin Blake. 1972, The book gets the New England Round the Table of Children's Library Award in the USA. 1973, the Surrey School Award from Great Britain. 2000, the Millennium Children's Book Award from Great Britain. And also 2000, the Blue Peter Book Award, also in Great Britain. Roald Dahl was born on the 13th September 1916 in Llandaff in Wales. He was famous for his children's books, who mostly ended surprisingly. He was also famous for his books about black humor. He was also famous for his books with many black humor. He sold more than 200 million books, which were translated in 63 languages. In November 1939, he joined the Royal Air Force and learned the job pilot. Some books from Roald Dahl are Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator, The Fantastic Mr. Fox, Witches, and Matilda. I read the book in English. The story was easy written, and I had the paper version. More than the book, I liked the movie acted by Johnny Depp. There are a second film from 1971 played as a musical. The musical is a fantasy film directed by Mel Stewart, screenplayed by Roald Dahl, based on the book from 1946. It stars Gene Wilder as candymaker Willy Wonka. The film tells the story of the poor Charlie Pocket, played by Peter Ostorm. He finds the golden ticket and wins to visit the chocolate factory from Mr. Wonka, with other 4 children from around the world. Please like and subscribe my channel if you liked my Booktube video. See you next time.